Craig, you've always said these games are never meant to be easy. What's the verdict after that one?
No, exactly what I thought it was going to be. Tough game. Circumstances as well, we're aware, of course we are. But could we have played better? I believe so. But understanding the start of the season, where we are at this present moment, and importance of the squad, being able to use a lot of squad players. I don't know if that's right, but the group, it's a really big win for us.
One goal in it in the end, Kiefer Moore's goal. What did you make of it?
Good set piece. Credit to Robes as well, who's in charge of set plays. Coles does what he does, gets across, and he's alive. Forwards are alive. Fit in as well, 50th cap. So that's really nice. It's not easy getting 50-odd caps. So credit to Kiefer. It's a really big win for us. It's due to everything that comes with this. And I knew it before, but you can see why a lot of clubs have, a lot of international teams as well have struggled making this trip.
It's been the theme so far this season.
And I'm sure it was very difficult for you to come over. But credit to the FAW as well with Dave and Noel. They really helped us with the travel. And hopefully we were able to repay him for that as well.
I know I asked you about him before the game, but I have to ask you again about Dylan Lawler. He looked like he'd taken to international football like a duck to water out there, especially given that second half.
He's just a good player. Good players are good players. I feel sometimes we can, either they're too old or they're too young, and we'll look for every excuse going. It's our nature as people. For me, it's like when someone says you can't, it's because they're so afraid you will. He's a good footballer, and I was honestly, all I seen, he's playing games, and that's important as well, because we have a lot of players who are not playing regularly at the moment, which is usually the case. It was this time last year. But he had a rhythm, and you could see he's been playing games, and with his quality as well. It was a top performance from him today. And we needed it.
Finally, a long, plane journey back home, and then friendly against Canada, a different test and another really good opportunity.
Yeah, well, listen, we've got to see how healthy we are off the back of this. I'm not sure I've got many more to call in, but it's a really, really good game. Due to how they press and how they trigger, it was like the quality of type of opposition I really wanted. We've got to adapt to this. We've got to get over this game. There's going to be a few stiffness due to the pitch because it's a different service. So really, we're waiting to see who's available for that, who comes through over the next couple of days, and with travel as well. So I'm quite relieved I haven't got another qualifier now after this. That I say it's a friendly. I don't believe in friendlies. Every game's is the most important. But it's a good game. It's a really good game.